the channel. So today I'm going to be making a video of like a to-go drink that you can bring to the barn, and you can also have it to go, and if your horse accidentally takes a sip, it will not kill them or make them sick. So it's obviously not going to be like me saying it's good for you, saying it's going to taste good, and it's not going to be something that will hurt your horse or anything. But I'm going to be starting my own summertime special starting today, and I'm going to be making a video I'm going to be making 2 videos per week, and it's going to be a summer special of literally fun things that you guys can do, plus you guys watch me do it. So we are going to be doing things with Luna, we're going to be doing dares with her, we're going to be doing games, we're going to be doing things with Hobby Horse, all these crazy different things, plus some things that you guys can do too if you don't have a horse, Hobby Horse. But if you guys have things to make these drinks with, then you can bring it to the barn with you, or you can just have it for fun. I'm making this video for people who like to watch my channel, but they can't always do the same things that I do because a lot of you guys probably don't have a horse. I don't know. The reason I decided I wanted to do this is, so basically the summer special is going to be going from July all the way to August. And so it is the beginning of July, and we're going to go to August, and it's going to be so fun. There's going to be fun horse crafts and everything. Let me just really quickly show you something that I recently created, and I can teach you how to create. First, I have my very own welcome sign with a horse on it, and I found this. I literally found this in the garage full of rust. It was disgusting. This is how it looked before. I have writing down here, so I'm just going to cover that. This is how it looked before. This is how it looks after. I painted the whole thing, and I had to do 2 coats of white paint, so this is something you guys can do. And this is also a good idea to do, painting horseshoes. So this is the color before, and this is it after. And I actually wrote Harlow x Lemire because that's like when they do the collection together, you know, the collab. So we're gonna get started on this drink, so that way you guys can also get started. So first thing you're gonna need is a blender. But before we start, you guys probably may notice this, I am wearing the new Lemire Blossom t-shirt. It says Lemire across in bubbles, in like bubble silver writing. It's super cute, super comfortable, and it's super nice to just wear if you're out at the yard, or even if you're just trying to relax at home and want to sport this clothing. I'm wearing navy pants that I got off of Amazon, and these are actually breeches. They're super cute, and they have actually hoof prints for the grid. And then I am wearing the Lemire Mimosa baseball cap. It is such a beautiful color with the blossom, and it's so cute. It also has the little bubble silver here. But now we need to get started before I get bored and you guys get bored. First thing we're gonna need is 1 blender, just a blender. So we have our blender here. I'm just using the NutriBullet blender, and you guys can use any blender you want. It really doesn't matter. This isn't the highest quality blender either. I'm just using what I had. All right, so now we have all the accessories for my blender. And so I just have the cup and the blender and all of that. So I'm gonna set up the camera so it looks actually good. So now we have everything for my blender. So let's go grab our ingredients. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the ingredients for this drink. So we're gonna need unsweetened coconut milk, orange mango peach juice, and I'm doing organic for all this, so if your horse accidentally drinks it, no worries. It's organic.
Just don't let it drink a lot.
You can add Ready Whip if you like, and make sure you put the Ready Whip at the bottom so your horse doesn't get to that. And then we're gonna need ice. So first thing that we're gonna put in here is, so if you're not going to the barn and having this by your horse, then you can use the Ready Whip. So the first thing I'm gonna use is the the coconut milk, sorry guys. First we're gonna use the coconut milk, and I am gonna use, for the coconut milk, a 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna use the 1/2 cup for this. actually, you also need lemonade. So, a little bit of this then. There. So first we're gonna do half a cup of coconut milk.
I think you're supposed to shake it.
Oops. This is gonna be hard to pour in because I think I poured too much in. So let's hope I don't spill. Yes. Okay, do not spill. There. So now we have half a cup of coconut milk in here. Then we're gonna do half a cup of
I think you have to shake that too.
orange mango peach juice. That's saved on the background, telling me to shake things.
Yeah.
I need to shake
Because you
things.
have to shake 4 things. Unless it's like so.
I'm gonna do half a cup of this. That smells good. And to add a little more, you're gonna do just a little more in the half cup, just to bring out the taste a little more. So I'm doing at least, let me show you how much. I have at least this much in there. I'm gonna fill the rest. So half of it is filled with the mango orange peach juice, and the rest I'm gonna fill with lemonade. And there is my lemonade. The reason why I'm using all organics is because 1, it's healthier for you. 2, if your horse accidentally drinks this because you're at the barn with this drink, you're not gonna die. So yeah.
Oh, wait, did you shake that?
Nope. But it's gonna be blended anyway.
Yes.
And I'm not the biggest fan of lemonade actually, so I'm adding a little less than the rest of the cup with it, and adding a little more peach juice. If you guys like more lemonade than peach juice and all that, then add more lemonade. It's okay. And while it blends, we're gonna add the ready whip. I'm not bringing this out by my horse today because 1, Luna doesn't try to eat this stuff, and 2, Indy's at the barn, and I'm not going to the barn with this. So yeah. So I'm adding my ready whip.
Yeah, Luna's a very unnormal horse. Like, I feel like a regular horse like Indy would like actually eat it.
Yeah. So to make this more of a slushy, now we're gonna add we're gonna add 2 half cups of ice. Well, actually we're gonna add 1 cup of ice. Only got 4 cubes in it. We're gonna add a little more. There. So now we got that in there, and we are now gonna put it on the top, just twist it, and I'm actually gonna shake this a little. I like how that, is that water? No, it's just the water from the thing. Okay. Okay, and now I'm gonna plug in my blender, and we are gonna blend this thing up. So I'm blending it that way the ice doesn't blend in too much because we still want it to be kind of like a little slushy type drink, but you want to still be able to drink it, right? Okay, so I got the top open now. I'm just gonna let it drip, but while that's doing that, I'm gonna put away all of my ingredients now. We're gonna put away my lemonade, put away orange peach mango juice, and coconut milk ready whip. Okay, and then we're gonna put this in the sink to get washed. There, so the smoothie is all done. I'm gonna put this to the side so you don't have to look at it. It's still there. Yep, okay. So I'm gonna use this cup. I'm just using just a plastic cup. I don't really care what cup I use. So I'm just gonna use that, and then Sayla, do you want to try that?
Sure.
I'll put it in a mug for you. Okay.
Yeah, I like mugs.
Yeah, my sister really likes. Is this mug fine?
Yeah, no.
into a mug for my sister so she can try some. I'm just gonna drop that. And we're gonna pour. It's chunky like a slushie.
Only a little, that's not.
Thank you. The rest goes to me. I forgot to even make this, so I don't know if you'll like it.
At first I thought you were going to make my dragon fruit drink when you're putting out all the ingredients, but I'm like, wait, she doesn't use red ink and she didn't grab it.
I make my own Starbucks dragon fruit drink, so. Also,
You don't need that.
so now we got both of the drinks here. And I'm gonna go serve this to Selah. Here we go. And I am gonna try it myself. I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. It's good. It's actually really good. It tastes like mango, peach,
I'll try.
and it's not too sour because of the coconut milk. I would add a little less coconut milk. But definitely try to make some summertime drinks. Make it a little more blended and splendid. So I obviously really like this drink. I don't know if Luna's gonna try to drink it or what. So I'm just gonna throw on my shoes. And I love this new Lumiere springtime collection. It's just my favorite thing ever. It's so adorable, so cute, and it looks so good all together. Here she is. Milk. I'm actually very surprised she didn't try to drink it at first. She looked like she was gonna, didn't she? Yep, she just wants pets. So, as most of you know, Indy is gone. He is being boarded right now. And Luna, she's gonna squish me now. But Luna is very upset that he is gone. And the only thing that's making her happy right now is these petunias. She loves petunias.
Lana just included in her video that Luna loves petunias, and she does. Show you guys this gorgeous garden outside of the garden room.
Luna is also loving the beautiful gardens. She has a ton of petunias to eat on, as long as 6 more baskets here. Plus, walking past the garden, she gets a little bite each time.
You can get her rubbing on me if you want.
I did. Well, I don't think you like your poor little teddy bear anymore. Oh!
You got the little touch of pink through the smaller.
She's like, get out of my way.
Those are some of the cut cayens too are mixed in here. I mixed a lot of my zinnia seeds together.
I will be teaching you guys also at the end of this time how to make a drink for your horse, like a Starbucks drink or something like this. Obviously, I'm going to look up before I do it, so nothing unhealthy for your horses in here, and it won't hurt you. So before I end today's video, I do want to say thanks for watching, and I will be coming out with another video probably tomorrow. And if I am wearing the same outfit in any of these videos, it's probably because I'm making that 2 videos in a day. Like, this video was kind of short, so I'm going to be probably making another video today for tomorrow. And I'm going to be in the same outfit because I'm making it again today. So it's probably because I'm making 2 videos one day and they're going to be published out in 2 days. Don't worry. I have other horse riding clothes and you guys have seen it. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. And I'm not going to do like a Vlogmas every single day. I'm going to just do 2 videos per weekend. So every weekend, so Saturday is going to be a new video and Sunday is going to be a new video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you for tomorrow's video. Bye! Also, try this drink. It was so good.